everybody. How we doing? We've got this, right? We are taking good care of ourselves. We are going to get through this, and we are hooping for our physical and mental well-being. Speaking of well-being, I have a little bit of a torture sequence for us today, because why not? Things aren't tough enough. We are going to do everything in our non-dominant direction. We are going to do on-body hooping, going from low to high. First song, full song, we are going to be doing it at our knees. If you come to classes, you know that I hate knee hooping in my non-dominant direction. Next song, we're going to do at our hips. Full song. Next song, we're going to do at our waist. Next song, chest. Next song, shoulders. All right. So we're going low to high. Good thing about going song by song is it gives us a very defined but finite opportunity to just work with, explore that move. In our non-dominant direction, we probably like it way less. We probably do it way less. So this is a good opportunity to try it out. So keep hooping, keep taking good care of yourself, and I will come up with something new for us to do tomorrow. Take good care. I miss you guys.